Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix pull up for precise seeking in YouTube. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your YouTube app on your mobile device. Over here, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. After that, tap the gear icon at the top right corner to open settings. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on the option labeled accessibility. Over here, look for accessibility player and toggle the switch next to it to turn it on. Next up, tap on hide player controls. Then a pop-up will appear asking how long you want the player controls to stay visible. Select after 3 seconds from the available options. Over here, you can also choose other durations like 5 or 10 seconds. Once you're done with this, close the YouTube app completely. After that, reopen the app again. So that's basically how you can fix pull up for precise seeking in YouTube. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.